Yeah. Crypto markets, aren't really moving on this data. I think that does make sense to me. On the fringes, it matters because, as you said, it's one of the factors that Jerome Powell is paying attention to when the Fed sets interest rate policy. They want to see a slowing job market. They want to see how that affects inflation, and then take that into account when they're setting the interest rate policy. I think some of the traditional markets reacting to this news, kind of looking at it as a potential sign that the rate hikes might be pausing later on this year, which is obviously good for risk assets. That could have a positive tailwind for Bitcoin, for crypto prices as a whole. But I think largely speaking, this type of macro data doesn't really matter as much for crypto now as it did maybe a year or 2 years ago. And I think what's really driving crypto prices and the price of Bitcoin now are the regulatory developments and the technological developments. So the developments like the Grayscale and Grayscale and SEC case around the spot Bitcoin ETF is having more of an impact on markets than, say, macro data like the jobs report.